Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. And in this lesson we're going to talk about QRadar auto updates, which can be found at the top left of the admin tab. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. And auto updates is basically IBM's ability to send updates about different kinds of QRadar components. So for example, if they add a new parsing capability to one of the parsers or any security updates and such, you can see them in here. I currently don't have any updates, but it's not too bad because I want to also show you the different kind of settings. And you have here the check for updates page, which we currently are on. We have the view update history, where we can see all of the updates that were installed. And under change settings, you can change the frequency at which updates should be installed and downloaded. So 3 a.m. is the default, which is good with me. And those two are going to be important, the configuration updates and the DSM scanner and protocol updates. So by default, this is going to be set to auto install, which I don't really recommend because there has been cases where IBM published an update that caused problems for many organizations around the world. So I recommend to change it from the default to manual install, right? For both of those. And then you can see which updates you have and you can decide whether to install them yourselves or wait. You can also change major updates. It's disabled by default. You can change it to download. And here you have something called auto deploy, which is a functionality that updates which have been installed, it's going to perform an auto deploy, which I also don't recommend leaving, because then you can have a situation where your deployment is performing an auto deploy and you have service interruption and you don't know basically where that came from. So I recommend leaving it on off state. And under advanced settings, we have the web server to which QRadar is requesting updates from. No need to change any of those, but you can define your proxy settings if you have any, and then you can see the log of the updates. But the most important page probably for now is the change settings, which we have taking a look at. So give it a quick look, make sure that you understand everything, and I recommend checking for updates on a daily basis. All right, I used to do that every day, and then I would, because I had manual installation, I would check which updates were important, and I would install them and alert the SOC in advance that we're going to have a service disruption. So if possible, I recommend you to do the same in order to not miss any important updates that IBM might have released. And that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.